If you encounter a steady green light and then a blinking 2 orange lights, and the error is service required, this is a waste ink counter issue, and you have to reset it. How to reset Epson L1210, L3210, L3250, L3251, L3260, L5290. Download the application. If you don't have a resetter, you can buy it from Shopee. If you are in the Philippines, just check the product tag. If you have question about resetting, just message us on our FB page. Temporarily disable antivirus. Don't forget this step. Locate the resetter where you downloaded it. Extract the file. The password may vary depending on where you purchase it. Run the program. Click Select, choose model name. Model depends on the printer model you have, for example, Epson L3210. There is a resetter that can reset one or more Epson models. Click the select port number, where the printer is installed. Make sure the printer is connected to the computer or laptop and the printer is turned on. Click OK. Click the particular adjustment mode. Click in the pad counter, then click OK. Check the main pad counter, platen pad counter, and ink system pad counter. Click Check. Now you will know what percentage all the pad counters are. Even if it is not full, or 100%, you can reset the counter back to 0. For the final step, just click Initialize. After the reset, you may turn off and turn on the printer and check if the counters are reset to 0. You can now use your printer again. Don't forget to check the waste ink pad, physically check it, and replace it if needed. This is Epson L121 and it is also applicable to Epson L120. If the error is all blinking or flashing lights, this is not a reset waste pad issue. Reasons are a jammed paper, a misaligned paper sensor, a detached or dirty encoder disk sensor, or a dirty encoder strip sensor. Check for jammed paper, check for misaligned sensor, clean all sensors if necessary. If light is alternate blinking or flashing, and in the status monitor, the error is the end of service life. The problem is that the waste pad counter is full. You cannot use this printer in this state of error. This error will be solved by resetting the counter and you need an adjustment program or a resetter. Check tag product if you don't have one. Run the program, choose the port number where your printer is installed. Click particular adjustment. Some resetter need to input the printer's serial number. Your printer's serial number is located on the front and back of your printer. Click Perform, then OK. Ignore the communication error. Then click Finish. Now, click the waste ink pad counter, then click OK. Click the box main pad counter. Then click Initialize, then click OK, then turn off the printer, click OK. If you see please reboot the printer message, turn on your printer again. If you see ink leaking from the bottom of the printer, replace it with a new one.